Welcome back. And today I wondered if ChatGPT could drive a car. I mean, potentially drive a car. Of course, I haven't got it interfaced in any way with a car. And so I thought I'd just give it a trial run and see if it knew about the rules of the road and so on and so forth. And so in order to do that, of course, I could have taken my phone into a car and driven along the road and got it to respond. And I might do that at some point, but before I do that, I thought I'd give it a much simpler task. And so I got this picture of Wikipedia of a typical road. And initially my thoughts were that, and I had tried this earlier, that if I asked the computer, the AI, to make this line like as if there was a grid over this road, and this was -1, this was +1, and 0 in the middle, that it could tell me the coordinates of where I was on the road. And it wouldn't matter which side of the road I was driving on, because we could agree on that before which country we were in. But then I decided it actually had a bit of difficulty with that. So I thought I'd just make it easier and just ask it just to get like a toy car and move it along the road. And if I did anything silly, like move over the centre line here, if I was driving on the right or if I was driving on the left, whatever, then it would let me know, sort of raise an alarm as it happened. Now, of course, you've got to remember that this is a large language model. It's not particularly trained to do driving in any shape or form, but it should know about that. And there will be a degree of latency because it's churning on some massive computer in the United States somewhere. But taking account of the latency, these are the results that I got coming up now. Hello.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
What have we got in front of the camera?
It looks like you've got a computer monitor displaying a road. Is there anything specific you'd like help with related to that?
Okay, what's this I've got here?
It looks like you've got a small model tank with a long barrel. Are you showing me something specific about it?
Oh, well, it's a car, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to put the car on the road.
That sounds fun. Placing the car on the road makes it look like it's driving along. What are you planning to do next?
I'm going to ask you if I'm making any driving mistakes. I'm going to drive on this side of the road, and I'm going to drive the car along the road, and you're going to warn me if I make any mistakes.
Sure, I'd be happy to help with that. Just keep the car on the correct side of the road and stay within the lanes. Let's see how you do.
And you must tell me immediately there's any mistake that I make.
Absolutely. I'll let you know right away if anything goes wrong.
Right.
Drive carefully.
Let's start.
All right, let's see how you do. Good luck.
I'll start again.
You're doing well. Keep the car steady and watch those lines.
Is that okay?
You're doing fine so far. Just stay centered in your lane and keep it steady.
Do you not think I'm in the wrong lane?
Yes, it looks like you're crossing over the center line. Make sure to stay on the correct side of the road.
Okay, I'll start again. And you must tell me if I cross over the center line.
Sure thing. I'll keep an eye on it. Go ahead.
Everything okay?
So far, so good. You're staying in the correct lane. Keep it up.
Are you sure I'm in the correct lane?
Yes, you're in the correct lane now. Great job. Keep going carefully.
Which lane should I be in?
You should be in the left lane, assuming this is a country where you drive on the right. Stay there and you'll be fine.
So you think I should be in this lane here?
Yes, that lane looks correct. Just keep it centered and watch out for the edges.
Which lane should I be in for my country, which is New Zealand?
In New Zealand, You should be in the left lane since you drive on the left side of the road. Make sure to stay there.
Okay, let's start again.
All right, go ahead. I'll watch closely.
And you must tell me if I make any mistakes.
Of course. I'll let you know if I see anything off.
Here we go.
You're off to a good start. Keep it steady.
Everything okay?
You're crossing the line a bit. Try to stay on the left side. My guidelines won't let me talk about that. Can I help you with something else?
Want help you talk about what?
Sure, I can help. What specifically would you like to talk about?
We'll start again, and I'm going to drive on the left-hand side, and you must tell me when I cross over the yellow lines, okay?
Got it. I'll let you know if you cross over the lines. Let's start.
Everything okay?
You're crossing the line a bit. Try to stay on the left side.
Is there a reason you never warned me when I was doing it and you only told me now?
I'm sorry if it seemed delayed. I'll do my best to alert you right away. Let's try again, and I'll be quicker in responding.
Okay, here we go.
All right, let's give it another shot. You're doing great.
Well,
You're staying in your lane well. Keep it up. My
thank,
guidelines won't let me talk about that. Can I
Thank-
help you with something else?
thank you.
You're welcome. Keep practicing and you'll get there.
So much for that idea.